Alright y'all, what's going on? Welcome to the 5280 Fly Productions YouTube channel. We are currently trekking through the woods up here in Colorado. Walking up to the river right now. We're fishing Clear Creek today. Just outside of Georgetown, Colorado. But here we are, up here in the beautiful mountains. Straight forest up here. The only thing I hate, well, I mean, I don't hate it. The only thing I don't like about this river, or just specifically this part of the river, is it's so hard to access it because it's so heavily wooded, especially when we get further up today, because we're fishing upriver today. When we get further up there, you'll see how like heavily wooded the pines get, and it's something else, let me tell you. This is the river I learned how to fly fish on. My buddy Joe brought me up here. He's like, hey man, you want to go fly fishing? And I was like, yeah, I'll give it a shot. And I fell in love with it. But yeah, beautiful day out. Mid-60s, shouldn't be too hot today. Hopefully we'll get some dry fly action. I see a lot of shit buzzing around. Doing a little dry dropper today, as my rod is stuck in that tree. But yeah, I'm excited for today. It's gonna be good. Beautiful. It's weird, they don't like to bite here in the morning all that much. More so just in the afternoon, which is really weird. I didn't even see that fish right there though. Glad I saw that. Oh, he took a look at it. Definitely gonna need some dry fly solution though, I can tell. Like I am a-okay with just it barely sitting below the water. I hooked on a rock, dude. What am I doing? He'll eat what I have on too. Like I know damn well he will. Oh, there's a little guy. There's like a, look at that, little guy. I have no idea where this guy came from. I didn't even see him sitting in the river. Nice little brookie. Look at that, boys. Got a nice little brook trout. One for the books. All right, boys, look at that little fish. Let me hold it up for you. Nice little beautiful brookie. See ya, buddy. There's one sitting more into the current, which I like. Yep, we followed it. Woo! Baby, stay on, baby. Alright, boys. I'm gonna show you this nice little brookie if he'll let me pick him up. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Oh, there he goes. Please don't eat shit. I hate crossing rivers. On the dry fly. On the dry fly. Look at that, baby. That's a cutthroat. Dude, it ate it on the dry fly. Right on the cheek. Look at that fish. Beautiful. Color on him is gorgeous. he's gone. So we are gonna go to one last spot, and I think we'll call it a day. I don't even think it's noon yet. What we're gonna do is gonna go try to catch 1 or 2 more fish for the video, call it a day. And we'll be back up somewhere in the mountains next week in the fish. All right, we're gonna retie on this nymph. I think I'm gonna try something new. I mean, we've already caught 3 fish. I mean, you gotta test new things out. We're gonna throw on, it's like a blue pheasant tail. I don't know how well y'all can see that, but it's looking pretty minty to me. Like, boys, look at that. Like, look. How could you not want to eat this if you're a fish? Dude, I literally landed and he went for it right away. Oh my god. Belly ho. I'm just moving so fast right here, man. The dry is just dropping. It's a little flowy. Sitting up on that right side of me. Yep. There we go. Fish on. Fish on. Stay in the water, buddy. Stay on. Oh my god, dude. I can't get my net off. Beautiful. I was not prepared for that with my net. Oh my god, dude, I can't figure it out. Let's go like that for now. Dude, he crushed the fucking nymph. He liked that it was blue. He was like, that looks nice to me. Let me chomp on it. Completely native brook trout. That thing is massive for being a brook trout. If y'all know anything about brook trout, oh, there he goes. If y'all know anything about brook trout, they're not that big. So that was a nice brook trout. Oh, dude, I missed the dry. Are you kidding me? Yep, there we go. There we go. There we go. Nice fish. Nice fish. Nice fish. Come here, buddy. Nice cutthroat on the blue nymph, dude. They are absolutely enjoying this nymph. Take a look at this fish, guys. This might be the biggest we've caught all day. Look at that. Beautiful fish. See it, buddy. There he is. Sitting right there. Oh, I saw another one sitting up there. Oh, I think I just had him. I saw one hit top right next to it. Did you guys see that? Fish just hit top right next to it. On. Dude. Literally, this might be the biggest fish we've caught all day. Come here, buddy. Dude, like, literally just caught that other fish, like, not even a minute ago. Like, not even a minute ago. Right in his nose. Right where it's supposed to be. Definitely the biggest fish we caught all day. 100%. 100% the biggest fish we caught all day. Look at that. Look at the colors on that, guys. see a couple fish right up there. So, let's see what we can do. They look like they're smacking dries. There's so many bugs on the water. Oh, he hit it, but he spit it. There's one sitting back down in there. I didn't see that. Wow. Alright. Alright, boys. So we made it back to the car. Can't complain with a day like that, honestly. It was a beautiful, nice, sunny day, and I think we caught 7 fish. 7? It was either 6 or 7. Yeah, I mean, this is such a good spot. I would have kept fishing. It's only 1 o'clock, but the GoPro died. So I was like, you know what? We caught enough fish. Thanks for watching this video. It is the first one on my channel. We're gonna have many more like this. Fishing challenges, exploring spots. I think next video we're gonna go try to test some new water out near here. It's the North Fork of the Clear Creek, so it's gonna be up in Empire. So we're gonna go test that out next video. Anyways, if y'all enjoy videos like this, make sure to leave a like so I know. Subscribe if you like content like this. It's gonna be a lot of it on my channel. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.